This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PlayStation 5 to best Western Wi-Fi. First, power on your console and navigate to the home screen. Locate the gear icon for Settings in the upper right, then choose Network. Next, select Settings once more, and then Set up Internet Connection. The PlayStation 5 will automatically begin scanning for available wireless networks in your vicinity. Ensure you have your room number and the last name associated with your reservation ready for the upcoming login process. After scanning, you should see the best Western network name appear in your list of available connections. Select this network, and your PlayStation 5 will attempt to connect. It will likely show a message indicating that an internet connection is not yet established, but that's perfectly normal. A notification will then pop up, advising you to use the console's internet browser to complete the setup. This redirection is crucial for reaching the Best Western's guest Wi-Fi login portal. When prompted, open the PlayStation 5's web browser, which should automatically direct you to the Best Western Wi-Fi login page. Here, you will be asked to input your specific room number, for instance, 403, and the last name used for your reservation, such as Smith. Carefully enter these details into the designated fields. After providing this information, you will need to agree to the hotel's terms and conditions before finally tapping the Connect button to gain full internet access. Should you encounter any issues during the connection process, first try restarting your PlayStation 5 entirely and repeat the steps. Often, a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Also, meticulously re-enter your room number and last name. Even a small typo can prevent access. If the problem persists, try moving your console a few feet closer to the window or door for better signal. If all else fails, do not hesitate to contact the Best Western front desk for direct assistance. They can often reset your connection from their system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.